Okay, so my older sister inspired me to be the person that I am within the realm of haka. And so from an early age, I looked at her as one of my, probably one of my first early role models in life, along with Auntie Tangimai. I remember at 4 years old doing a speech for the Year of the Child in 1979, and I remember the lines of my speech, and they went, "When I grow up to be a big girl, I want to be just like my Auntie Tangimai and my sister Vicki." And that was from the words of a 4-year-old.
Tangimai had probably the most beautifulest sopranos here. Louise, the younger sister, slotted in between the harmonising of our mother and Kitty. So for me, they were the inspiration. She always said to me, because back in the day of my teenage years, I had a high soprano voice. And I also used to kaya the hakas and stuff like that, but she always said to me, you can't do both. You have to chuck one away, but that choice is yours. I chose haka, and it was because I used to see my mother and what she had to do. I just got a buzz out of my mother leading haka. I don't know whether if I'd have chosen sop, whether I'd still be a sop today anyway. I guess one of the part of the biggest challenges for me was lasting the 25 minutes on stage. When you're supposed to give your best and you can feel yourself waning it around about the mōteate and the poi, we all do it. And that's the biggest challenge for me on that stage, knowing that the team was okay.
Yep, Mum was intimidating. She was fair. Like Vicki, Mum encouraged me to start off at sop. Strong lead, especially when the whānau were around composing.
Paddy, he's got the wrong preview on.
Just stand in your places.
Dad used to always say, if there's no room for improvement, get out of the game. And what he meant was, if you can't beat your last performance, it's time to leave.
When I perform on the stage, I know that I'm representing, I know that I'm not only representing myself, that I'm representing our whānau, Vic, Mum, our brothers, our sisters, and all that, and their history.
A lot of Dad's hakas, they're timeless. He usually wrote and composed about issues that affected our people, and they're still happening. And that's why I say they're timeless. So what I enjoyed most about his hakas was the messages in there. He had a way of making you a part of that story. Manatuku Iho is a classic.
No papatua nuku toku mana e, I heke tika tonu mai ki ahau. 2002 would have to pop in here. That was the first year that that Vicki decided not to perform nationals, as kaitātaki, as a member of the rōpū on the stage. It was a huge challenge for me to come from the angle that I had to feel, you know, I was going to be handed over the mantle of kaitātaki from my sister, and how that was going to impact on me in terms of, I never ever thought in a million years that my sister would ever leave my side. That probably would have to have been the biggest challenge that I've ever come across within my experience of haka.
I think our mother knew what we were all capable of doing, and if we didn't do that, then she did really, when I think about it, the gracious thing, probably the closest, by putting you back into second row, you know. And that's when I woke up one day and I thought, geez, I owned that spot. What are you doing, putting me back in the second row? Today, the Taumata Kapa Haka is considered the battlefield. And so you go there, you practically lay your life on the line.